I'm here today with empties. I have a ton of products here and I'm gonna run through them quickly, let you know if I'd repurchase them, if they were good, bad, you know, all the deets on them. But before we get into the empties, if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoy and decide to stay a while by hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you leave. And now let's get into the empties. The first is, this was from my Facetory subscription box. You guys, a lot of you guys actually ended up ordering them after I showed it on my Instagram stories, and you like got them within like 2 days of ordering the box. This was one of the masks. It was the Skin RX Nutritive Mask. I love this. I think it is absolutely amazing. Super hydrating. I loved the smell of it. Very, very saturated. Really nice. So I really like that. Facetory, if you have not tried them, I will try to remember. I don't remember what my discount code was, but I will email them to see if I can get a discount code for you guys. And you basically get a subscription service of like masks, and I really like the ones I've tried so far. So this isn't sponsored by them, but if you guys are interested, a lot of you guys ended up ordering it and loving it. So I will try to remember to do that and stick that in the description box. A lot of hair products in here. This is the IGK Prenup. This is their instant spray hair mask. Absolutely amazing. Yes, 100% recommend this. I used this when I had my extensions in. It just really helps detangle and condition them. I used this once I, went blonde. I kind of finished it up actually. And it just really keeps your ends soft and smooth. It smells absolutely phenomenal. Highly recommend this if you want a nice like instant or deep repair mask for the shower. Just depending on how long you leave it on, it'll be instant or deep repair. Definitely recommend getting this. We have the Dove Refresh and Care Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. This was actually okay. I did not like this when I had red hair, but now that I've gone blonde, I feel like all my dry shampoos are working correctly now. This is the coconut scent. It smells really, really good. It doesn't leave too much of a white cast, or if it does, I don't really notice now because I have more like ashy roots or lighter roots. But when I had red hair, I really didn't like this. But now that I don't have red hair, I love it and it smells great. So if you're looking for a drugstore dry shampoo, I think this one is good. I used to love the Dove ones in the past, and I love that they're coming out with new scents. So the fresh coconut one is really great. This is from Bath & Body Works. It's the Hello Beautiful Triple Moisture. I guess they don't call it Triple Moisture anymore. It's called the 24-Hour Moisturizing Ultra Shea Cream. This is really nice. This one has white gardenia, jasmine, petals, magnolia blossom, pink nectarine, and cotton musk. I thought this smelled really good. It's a little more florally than I'm used to, but the packaging's pretty and I did like the scent. So I love their moisturizers, and I'm not insanely picky on the scents, but this was nice. I would use it again, but I don't know if I'd pick up the scent over like Be Enchanted, Is that one discontinued? I can't remember. My Tarte Go With The Faux. I get questions all the time what self-tanner I use. This one's one of my favorites, but it was weird because I switched to the Mind Tan, the coffee one I really like. I have a bunch of the Mind Tan ones. I ordered them off their website when they were doing buy one, get one free. And so I kind of like set this one aside, and now when I try to use it, it just pumps out liquid. It doesn't pump out a mousse. So there's like this much left in there, but I can't get the mousse to come out. It literally just like squirts out straight liquid. So that's a massive bummer, but I do love this self-tanner. I think it's wonderful. I love the color. It doesn't really smell like self-tanner. So I really like that one, but I also really like the Mind Tan coffee one. That one smells bomb. Okay, another mask. This is from Beauty Scoop from Biobelle. I guess it's called Biobelle, and this mask is called Beauty Scoop. Again, love it. I'm not insanely picky about my sheet masks, but that one was very nice. Shiseido Facial Cotton. If you've been with me, you know that's like almost in every single empties. We have a ton of face products. Oh my gosh, there's so much here. Okay, the Dr. Brandt Microderm Age Defying Exfoliator. I keep getting these. I don't know where they come from, but I just keep finding them in my bathroom. This is really good. It is very exfoliating. I love the amount of like the ratio of scrubbers to the cream. Would definitely recommend that if you are looking for a really great scrubber. This one is great. Oh, where's that? This combination was like so bomb for like a month until I ran out of all of it. The L'Oreal Revitalift Bright Reveal Brightening Moisturizer with the Miracle Blur. Oh, do you remember when this came out? The Moisture Blur Moisturizer. I mixed, so I'd put this on and then I would put this on top of it, and my makeup like went on so smoothly. This combination is so great. It's drugstore. L'Oreal Revitalift is expensive though. It's like 20 bucks for each thing, but sometimes they have coupons. So check out and see if you can find some coupons. But this combo is really great if you're looking for a drugstore moisturizer combo. It blurs your pores. It's really good. This e.l.f. Beauty Shield Antioxidant Enriched Skin Protection Vitamin C Serum. This was okay. I don't know if I really noticed much of a difference. It's very, very liquidy, so it's not like a more gel. It's more oily. Like, it doesn't have the consistency. It's like water. That's what it's like. It's like water. It doesn't really have much like consistency to it. It's just very liquidy and watery, but it was okay. I don't know if it really did anything, so I don't think I'd ever repurchase this, but it was okay. I have a bunch of other vitamin C serums that I do feel work. This one was just kind of like meh. All right, these two hair products I'm saying bye to. This is the Redken Wool Shake Gel Slush Texturizer. I hate this. I like really tried. I mean, I'm probably have like that much left. I really tried with this. I love the smell of it, but I just don't know. Maybe I'm supposed to have like naturally curly textured hair, because when I spray this in my hair, it literally makes it so wet and so crunchy. Even if I'm like holding it out here trying to spritz it, it just like, it's spray gel, which I guess I get gel slush texturizer. I don't even know why I bought this. I think the lady that used to do my hair years ago told me to get this. No, I mean, I can't get it to work for me. If you have thin hair or not curly hair, I don't know who this is for, but I wouldn't repurchase it. This is the Surf Infusion Oil Infused Sea. This is the Bumble and Bumble Surf Infusion Oil and Sea Salt Spray. I don't really love this. I feel like it almost makes my hair oily, but then it also makes it like crunchy at the same time. I love texture spray. I use it almost every single day. The Bumble and Bumble texture spray is one of my favorite. I like the one from Way. I'm really loving the Kristen S that you can get at Target. So I really love texture sprays. This just does not work for me. I think maybe my hair is too fine. Maybe if you have thicker hair and a lot of thick hair, this would be really pretty, or some natural curl in your hair, this would work. But it just did not work for me. So I wouldn't be repurchasing it. I have a shampoo and conditioner, the Garnier Sleek and Shine. This was okay. I don't really love like smoothing, sleek type products because most of the time they really weigh my hair down. This was okay. Mask, the Honey Nourishing Mask. This actually, I got this when I placed a Honey Bum order for clothes. It came with this, and this was really nice, a nice little face mask. Sensual Amber, another moisturizer. I'm not crazy about that scent though. I have the MAC Prep and Prime. I'm going to back to MAC this. This one is in the Yuzu. I really liked that. I can't be without my MAC Fix Plus. I do just have like a regular one right here on hand. This I love, the Pixie Glow Mist. I love these I use these in my skincare every day, in the morning and then at night. This one's the Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil. I also love the Milky Mist one. These are phenomenal. You can pick them up at Target. Highly recommend those. The Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Love this. Use it every day. I actually just got a new one, which I'm so excited about. Right now I'm using the Too Faced Hangover RX spray, but oh, it's just so good. I'm pretty sure I just spit on myself too. All right, this is the Vita Liberata Luxury Tan. This one's the tanning lotion. I don't like the tanning lotion. I do like the tanning mousse, but it's just really expensive. There's other self-tanners that I think work a lot better, that give you a richer, darker tan, so I would not repurchase the Vita Liberata, especially the lotion one. This is the Healthy Sexy Soy Touchable Hairspray. Absolutely love it. I buy mine at TJ Maxx for 10 bucks. Yes, if you've followed me, you know I've used that for like years, probably since the start of my channel. Pink Chiffon, love this scent. This is their body gel, love it. I will continue to buy the Pink Chiffon because I love that scent. This, actually Ted used, it's the Hydrogenius. I love this line. I used their one for normal skin or dry skin. I used the extra dry one, and then I used one of the other ones, and then Ted used this one. He really likes it. He says so far out of all the moisturizers I've given him, this brand or this like one is his favorite. So this one's for oily skin. He also used the dry skin one. I don't think he could tell much of a difference in how they performed. He just really likes this moisturizer. And it comes in a really nice glass bottle too. All right, this is the Degree, this is mine, the Degree Ultra Clear Black and White Fresh 48 Hour. What does this smell in it? This one smells good. I do like it. I definitely don't agree that it says that it's black and white, so you can use it on black and you won't get marks. That's totally false. And anti-yellow stains, I don't know, maybe, but I do like this. I don't really use women's deodorant. I just always use Guys. And I switched from Old Spice because Old Spice one started burning my armpits. Okay, this is the Derma E Microderm Scrub. This is my holy grail scrub of all time. It's absolutely amazing. It's so good. It just scrubs everything out of your pores. It's phenomenal. Same with their Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask. I only use this in my T-zone. Just cleans the crap out of your pores, and your pores are left shining and sparkling and amazing. If there's any 2 skincare products I could recommend, it would be these 2. This Dr. Jart Water Fuse Hydro Soothe Eye Gel. This was okay. I don't know. It didn't like blow my socks away. I really love the Bye Bye Under Eye eye cream. That one's really great. I'm using one from Perricone MD, the Cold Plasma Eye. That one's really good. I'm also using, what's the other one? Sunday Riley, the Eye Contour Cream. I really like those. This one was just okay for me. I don't know if it's because of the gel, but it just didn't leave me super hydrating feeling, even though it says Hydro Soothe Gel. I don't know. It was okay. It didn't like reduce puffiness. I don't know if I would repurchase this because I like other ones more, but it was okay. Yeah, Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder Foundation in Light Neutral. This is a nice powder. If you do not like a powder foundation, then you probably wouldn't like this. It is a little heavy and you have to go light-handed because it can cake up on you if you are not careful. But if you like a powder foundation and wear this on its own, it's really good. Just use a light hand with it because it can get a little cakey. But this is nice. I don't know if I'd repurchase it. I really like the Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder way more, and I'd probably just buy that one. We have some mascaras. The Voluminous Lash Paradise, yes, it's great. I love it. Too Faced Better Than Sex, again, love it. I've used this for years. Urban Decay Perversion, yes, love it. All 3 of these mascaras are fantastic. I would repurchase and have repurchased all 3 of these. Okay, we have the Clarins Beauty Flash Balm. This was okay. I bought this a long time ago. I can't remember who recommended it. And I just it didn't wow me. So I wouldn't repurchase it. It is kind of expensive. I just didn't really get it. It's like energizes and soothes when used as a facial mask. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Or it says put it on your skin and then immediately put on your makeup. So I don't know. It was just okay for me. Not worth the price tag for me. This Lift and Illuminate Serum from Boots No. 7 was also just okay. I felt like I went through it really fast. This was just an okay serum for me. I could take it or leave it. Belief Moisturizing and Firming Eye Cream, yes, this was a little sample. Absolutely love that, would repurchase it. The Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Primer, I love this. Definitely would repurchase it. It's great at smoothing and mattifying your T-zone or all over your face. Really love it, and I love the smell of it. This I ended up finally having to get rid of. Sonia Kashuk Hidden Agenda Palette. This has been in my purse for years. I finally just said, you know, it's gotta go. I have a MAC one that I really like, so I'm gonna be using that instead. A couple brow products. What do we have here? We have the Total Temptation. Love this brow pencil. It's in medium brown. Soft brown. Really great if you like the Anastasia ones. You'd love this one. I also finished up Bow and Arrow. This is a wonderful lip liner from Kat Von D. Highly recommend it. A brow pencil from Catrice. Their Slimatic Ultra Precise. Awesome brow pencil, but you go through it so fast. Like in 3 weeks, it's gone. The Lottie London medium brow pencil. Love the Lottie London pencils. They're phenomenal. This is the Urban Decay ink for eyes. I like this. It is matte, it is black, but it dries out so quickly. So I probably wouldn't repurchase it because there's other matte black liners at the drugstore. My battery's about to die, so that's why I'm talking so fast. Like the Wet n Wild one, the Total Temptation one, or actually Curvitude, the Curvitude one. Also, my Nars Doucuer. It's like gone. It's really hard to scrape the corners of this. Absolutely love this. I will repurchase it from the Nars website. Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. This was okay. It's a little sample. Probably would not purchase the full size because there's other ones I like more. And then we have Black Opium YSL. Yes, I've repurchased that in the full size many times. My Burberry, I actually really do love that one, and it is on my list. Same with the CK2, also on my list of perfumes to buy. And then the Derek Lam Crosby Looking Glass. Did I like that one? I do like that one. It's very fresh and light. So those are all my empties. Tried to run through them really quickly so this wasn't a super long video. What are some products you finished up lately that you're loving, that you would repurchase, or that you really didn't like? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!